there's a saying that a change will do you good. So I've made a change. Hey everybody, as you can tell, my hair is a different color, and no, I didn't dye my hair. I received this new lace front wig from Dona. By the way, I love that this package is almost the same color as a Tiffany box. It's like a Tiffany box, it's like Tiffany for the hair. So Dona Hair is a brand that has all different types of wigs. The one I'm showing you guys today is a synthetic lace front wig. Now Dona Hair offers a wide variety of hair products, from clip-in extensions to wigs, so it's not just wigs. Like, they have a wide variety of products to offer on the website. And by the way, if you guys want to check out the website, there will be a link in the info section below so you can see everything that Dona offers. So I've already put the wig on because as soon as it came, I'm like, oh my god, get this on my head. But I'm going to take it off real quick so you guys can see it a little bit up close, and then I'm going to show you guys how we put it on, how we style it, and just how you wear it. By the way, awesome fact is that even though this is a synthetic wig, it is heat resistant, meaning you can style it, you can curl it, you can flat iron it, you can do all that. I don't even want to do that to my natural hair. I'm so lazy, but I love that this wig can be styled before you put it on. And as you can see, it has some pretty nice curls already ready to go. So I'm going to take this off now. By the way, this is super easy to take off. You just simply unclip the insides and poof, it comes right off. So the wig itself is quite long. As you can see, whoosh. My normal hair is actually pretty much the same length as this, so I chose a longer one. Here it is up close. You can see that the hair has a very nice look to it. It doesn't look like doll hair. It looks like a very high grade of synthetic hair, and I like that each strand is thin enough. It mimics the look of natural hair as well. The color is quite beautiful. As you guys know, like, I tend to go for the bolder looks, the deeper looks, the more vampy looks, and I have dark hair as it is, so I thought that purple would be a nice step up. Now if you look inside of the wig, you can see that all of the hair is in the lace front. That's why it's called a lace front. It's hooked through, like crocheted through, and then you have the actual base of the wig here, which is a little bit thicker. You can even see that there's a part in the front, so it helps to show your natural part right here. So if you actually line it up with your natural part, it's going to look even more realistic on you. And then the back just falls back, which adds a lot of volume, especially to those with like thinning hair. I tend to have thinning hair. Now, as I was telling you guys, like, I had to unclip it. It's because it has two clips on the inside, which you clip to kind of pull these side hairs back. And also in the back, you have like a little bra strap here, and this you can hook in to really secure it to the back of your head. And there's also a clip on the back as well. So to put this on is pretty simple. You want to take it like this. So to put it on is pretty simple. You take your hands like this and you slide it towards the front, and then you slide it back. Now once you have it in place, I need to move mine a little bit. You see, here's the natural part. I actually didn't part my hair today, but even though even without parting it, it still looks pretty realistic. So as you see, I'm taking my clips, I'm finding them, and then I'm pushing this hair back, sliding it back, and then I'm gonna wiggle the wig back. And then I'm gonna simply like line it up. As you see, you can see my actual skin through there. Now I have a very low forehead. Those of you with a higher forehead will probably find this a lot easier. I have a lot of baby hairs. Lots of baby hairs. So now I'm gonna clip it down in the back with the last final clip, and the wig is now in place. It's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Even if someone pulls your hair, do you see how hard I'm pulling on this? It's not going anywhere. It might shift a little bit, but it's not like the wind's gonna come and whoosh, go with the wind. Your hair is staying. So as you see, it maintained all of the curls from taking it on and off. It keeps its style, and like I said, it's heat resistant, so you can use a flat iron, you can use a curling iron, you can style this. I pretty much just fluff it out. Like, if it loses some volume, which it really doesn't, I just kind of fluff it out. You can choose where you cut your lace front. I cut it like right to the very tip, but if you wanted to, you can always pull some of your natural hair through. I didn't really find that necessary. So for me, like, I really don't do much to it, and I kind of like that it's low maintenance. Like, yes, you can do all these things to it, like use the flat iron, use the curling iron, but I really don't find that I need it. I think that like even when I wear it, the most I'll use on it is a little bit of frizzies to get some of like the frizzies down. But overall, I think that it's a very high quality wig, and I like the color selection. If you go to the Dona Love website, which I'm bringing up right now on my phone to show you guys, you'll see that there's tons and tons of options on the website. You can see what other people are wearing, how they're styling it, and you can definitely get an idea of like what you might be looking for. So if you want to switch it up, they have human wigs, synthetic wigs, hair extensions. They have a lot of different options. The one that I'm wearing today, by the way, is called the dark purple wavy waist length lace front. I'm like 5'11", so this isn't waist length to me. It stops like right after my shoulder. But either way, I think like any longer, it would be too much. Like in the back, it's pretty much down to my waist, but in the front, it's like right down to the tatas, and that's perfect. That's perfect for me. If you're thinner, like the girl in the picture, if you go to the website and you click on the link, you'll see there's this thinner girl. It's a little bit longer on her, but if you're, you know, more like me size, a little bit bigger, a little bit taller, it's gonna be like right here is gonna be a nice length. It's definitely like it's definitely an appropriate length in that it's wearable for every day. Like I would wear this to go shopping at the store. I would wear this for a glam day. Like I said, my key points, the takeaway from this is that I like that it's a low maintenance wig. I don't have to style my hair. I can get a change of color and a change of style, curly, instantly just by putting it on. And I like that it's comfortable to wear and it's not gonna fall off my head, and I don't feel like it's heavy. And like I said, it doesn't have that fake hair texture. So overall, I'm pretty much in love with my Dona Love wig. I definitely want to get a few more from them. There's some that I have my eye on. I'm going to leave in the info section below the ones that I have my eye on, and you guys can tell me what you think. Tell me if you think I would look good in them. I would love to know what you guys think, what your opinions are. And I think that this brand is worth it because obviously, I mean, look how pretty I look. I'm loving this. I feel amazing. So guys, I'm going to leave some links in the info section below. You can check it out. If you have shopped with them before, I would love to know what your experience is. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like it and subscribe. If you're not already, please head over to my Instagram at Recycled Stardust. Follow me there. I'm always posting swatches, outfit looks, reviews, even some food now, and of course my makeup looks with my little makeup recipe that basically tells you every single detail of what products I'm using. So if you don't have time to sit through a 10-minute video review or a video tutorial, you can just head over there and you'll get all the details real quick. So head over there. I'm at Recycled Stardust, and as always guys, thank you so much for watching.